Hello, have a pleasant day. Today's class is rank correlation where there are equal ranks and already we completed I am Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Let us start the problem. Obtain the rank correlation coefficient between the variables x and y from the following pairs of observed values. So there are values for X series and Y series. This is about a pair values. So with that, we are going to find out the rank correlation. Let us find the answer. So here we are going to find the rank correlation by taking the lowest value as 1 and the next to lowest is number 2, second rank, like etc. Let us start with solving the problem. So write the heading has calculation of rank correlation and have the columns like x values, and we are going to give rank, and y values again we are going to give the rank, and then we have to find out r1 minus r2 so that we can find the d2 square. D we will find out first, then we will find out the d2 square. Let us place the values in the column. So the values of x and y, it is there. So the values of x and then values of y we placed in the table. And then let us find the rank correlation as if I said earlier. Now the rank lowest value we are going to take it as a um, rank 1. Okay, so either we can take lowest value as 1 or highest value as 1. Suppose if we are taking the lowest value as 1, then for y series also you have to take lowest value as 1. Suppose if you are taking x, in x series you are taking highest value as rank 1, then you have to take in y series also highest value as rank 1. So in this problem I am taking the lowest value to the rank 1. Let us see how it is. See, I just marked it with red color. It is about the lowest value, and as if I earlier said, this class is related to the rank which has been repeated or the ranks of equal. So here there are three numbers or three values having the equal value. So we are just giving all the three ranks, rank 1, 2, 3, all the three, it goes to this rank, this value only. So 1, 2, 3, we are adding it by 3 so that we will get the value average to this rank only. We are going to place it accordingly to that values, and the next value is 55. The next to lowest value, the 55 is again in two places. So we have to find out 4 plus 5. Then that should be divided by 2 so that you will get 4.5. So it is placed to 4.51, 4.5. And the next to highest value is 60. So already we have given 5 ranks. So it is directly goes as 6th rank. Then the next one is 65. See, again it is about in two values it is there, 65. So it is about two values, that is 7th rank and 8th rank goes. So we are dividing it by 2 so that we will get the rank 7.5. So it has been placed in against the value 65, 65. And the next rank is 70. We are giving as 9th rank. Okay. And then the next one is 75. We are giving 10th rank. And the same value we have to give for Y series also. The lowest one among the Y series is 110. So the first and second rank goes. So as if you know, this is about 1 plus 2 divided by 2, 1.5. I have given against it. And the next highest value is 115. So this goes to 3 numbers. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 2. Okay. And then divided by 3. So you will get 4. So we are going to place it against the values. And the next highest is 120. 20. So we are given 6th place. Next highest value is 125. It is 7th value. And next one is 130. It is 8th value. And next one is 140. It is 9th. And the highest is 160. So it is about 10th rank. So we have placed all the ranks now. So what we want again, D, and then we have to find out D square. How to find out D square? D, R1 minus R2. Then you will get D, and in this problem I am giving straight away D square also. So let us see how it comes. See 2 minus 1.5. So you will get 0.5. If you square it, it is 0.25. Then the next one is 9 values, and the next one is 12.25. Next one is 2 minus 7, 5. So 5 into 5, 25. And the next one is 4.5 minus 9. And the next one is 6 minus 4. That is about 2. 2 square is 4. Then 6 square, 36. And then 0.5. So 2.5. And then 9 minus 5, it is 25. 10 minus 10, 0 values. So what the next we want to find out is sigma d square, and the next value. This is sigma d square, the total of all. It comes to sigma d square. So this is about what we want, sigma d square. Let us have the formula. Here in x, we have 50 value as repeated into 3 times, and 55 repeated in 2 times, and 65 repeated in 2 times in X series. In Y series, 110 repeated in 2 times and 115 repeated in 3 times. So we are just noting it for framing the formula. So let us have the formula for calculation of rank correlation. So rank correlation R equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square, you know. But here we have to add this value m into m square minus 1 divided by 12 for every rank which has been repeating. So here there is about m is equal to what we have to find out. See, that is m equal to the number or the value which we are just giving. So 2 times means here we are going to mention his as 2 times. It is about 3 means 3 times which is repeating. Then we have to put it as 3. So that you will get exactly what the answer is. And the next one is just I am giving the values 1 minus 6 into sigma d square is 134. That should be added with in X series. 50 number has been repeated in 3 times. So 3 into 3 square minus 1 divided by 12. And the next one is 65. Again it is divided 2 times. Then again also 2 times. In Y series 2 times. Another one is 3 times. So the all divided by n into n square. N, you know the values here. 10. 10 values are there. So we are giving it as 10. N, we are just simplifying it. Just simplify it. 1 minus 6 into 134 plus the values we have to put, and then you will get 3 into 3 square minus 1. 3 into 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 12. Then multiply with 3. Then you will get 2. So this is about the value. Just simplify. Now you will find out what R equal to correlation R equal to 1 minus 0.818. And then finally you will get, when you reduced from this 1, then you will get R equal to 0.182. So the rank correlation value is 0.182. That is about a relationship. It is about a positive relationship. As you know, the rank correlation will lie between -1 to +1. And I hope you understood. Thank you. We'll continue in the next video.